Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. We've had a procession of showers and storms through the overnight periods in particular as we've gone through the past several days. Checking Storm Track Live, you can see that bow echo of thunderstorms which ignited through parts of Iowa and then stretched into northern Illinois, continuing into Indiana. Thankfully, we were spared most of the damaging winds in association with that line of storms, but points toward Chicago had some wind gusts exceeding 100 miles per hour and a suspected tornado touchdown at the O'Hare Airport. So a scary situation unfolded there, and you can see that we did pick up a lot of rain, especially for points further south, closer toward Kalamazoo and Interstate 94. Yesterday, there were a total number of nearly 750 storm reports. That's damaging winds, wind gusts exceeding 60 miles per hour, hail, and also tornadoes. So you can see that, again, most of that was concentrated into northern Illinois and northern parts of Indiana, but even still, we had some gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour near Kalamazoo and just west of Grand Rapids. So as we look at it on some of the rainfall totals over the past 5 days, a healthy soaking, especially further south in the yellows and oranges on your screen, where some spots picked up as much as about 2 to 3 inches of accumulation, and here in Grand Rapids as well. And this is coming on top of the remnants of Hurricane Beryl. You can see that so far this month in Grand Rapids, we've had in excess of 5 inches of accumulation of rainfall. That exceeds what we usually receive in the entire month of July, and also about a surplus of 3.3 inches month to date. Well, we do have some slight rain chances for today and tomorrow, nothing major. It does look like it'll become cooler and more comfortable as we approach the weekend, with some drier weather taking hold. There's the view outside in Grand Rapids right now. It shows that we have overcast conditions, and our temperature is measured at 76 degrees, and it's still a little bit humid outside. Our dew point is in the upper 60s, but as we continue through the afternoon, it looks like we'll start to grab onto some drier air. Your temperatures now, those are extended from the mid-70s into the low 80s. 81 the update in Kalamazoo, 78 in Allegan. It's currently 76 as you travel north to Fremont, and just 70 degrees in Ludington. And the dew point is currently still high, upper 60s, lower 70s being observed. Winds are from the west. Those are sustained between 10 and 15 miles per hour, and it looks like the wind is going to stay rather strong as we move into Wednesday as well. Let's get a look at Futurecast. It shows that we will have diminishing cloud cover through the afternoon today, and as we go through tomorrow, still the chance of some spotty showers being picked up on the radar there. And then you can start to see high pressure moving into Minnesota and Wisconsin. That's going to be governing our weather as we go from Thursday until Sunday. So we're going to have a stretch of very pleasant and peaceful conditions, as it looks like temperatures will slowly tick upward from the mid-70s into the low 80s this weekend. But really not a whole lot to be concerned with as far as precipitation goes in the coming days. It's also going to feel much nicer outside, as you can see those dew points descending into the 50s and staying there for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, just beginning to become a little bit more muggy into Sunday, and some slightly warmer temperatures then as well. Let's get a look at the 8-day forecast. 81 our high temperature this afternoon, carrying a small chance of showers. We'll extend that 20% chance into Wednesday, and it looks like Thursday and Friday will be really nice. Temperatures in the middle to upper 70s, about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than normal, and it looks like we'll slowly ramp up our temperatures. Some more storm chances next week.